Let's move on to calculate tax savings for the amortized flotation costs. Tax savings for the unamortized. Tax savings for the unamortized flotation costs. So, tax savings, as I explained earlier, candidates, this is a saving, so it's going to reduce the initial investment. This is a tax saving from the unamortized flotation cost of the old bond. The old bond. So what is before we calculate the tax savings, we need to determine first of all the unamortized cost. The unamortized cost. What is the unamortized cost? The unamortized cost. We read from this question that the old bond is a 30-year bond. It's a 30-year bond, and it was issued 5 years ago, and the company intends to retire it 5 years ago. So the period we are talking about being unamortized is a period of 30 minus 5 years. 30 minus 5 years. That is the unamortized flotation cost. We know the flotation cost, reading again from the question, the initial flotation cost was 400,000. 400,000. This, we are talking about the flotation cost of the old bond. Flotation cost of the old bond. It's 400,000. Part of this 400,000, since the company intends to retire this old bond after 5 years, the bond's maturity period is 30 years. So we have 30 minus 5, which is equal to 25 years. So we're going to appropriate. All right? 30 minus 5 is the unamortized period. So it will be 400,000 times 25 over 30. Is that clear? Put it another way, candidates. These are 30 years. The 30 years is expected to cover, or the 400,000 is expected to cover the 30 years. How about 25, the unamortized? The unamortized will be equal to 25 over 30 times the 400,000. That's what I have done here. This will give us the unamortized flotation cost for the old bond. Do you understand? So the amount we get here, candidates, we need to multiply by the 30%. That will give us the saving. All right? That will give us the savings. This is equal to 100,000. 100,000 is the tax saving. This will give us the unamortized flotation cost multiplied by 30 to get the tax saving. So the tax savings on the unamortized flotation cost from the old bond is equal to 100,000. So we deduct. Then moving on to the tax savings on the unamortized discount, the same logic we'll use here. Discount, unamortized discount, unamortized discount, unamortized discount. First of all, we calculate the discount. And it's quite simple. The par value is 50 million. The company is contemplating retiring 50 million. That is the old bond. What was the discount on the old bond? The discount on this old bond will be this par value minus the amount that was received. In sentence number 2, we read that initially netted proceeds of 48.5 million. So the discount is 50 million minus 48.5 million. That will be the discount. But we will see that this company is retiring this old bond. And therefore, it is retiring this old bond after 5 years. So the unamortized discount on this old bond will be the total discount times 25/30. Because the 1.5 million only relates to the 30 years. 1.5 million. How about the unamortized period? Only 5 years have been amortized. How about the 25, the remaining 25? This bond is being retired after 5 years, which means 25 years discount has not been amortized. So therefore, we are going to take the 25/30 times the 1.5. That's what I've done here. This is 1.5 million times this. So this will give us the unamortized discount. Now out of this unamortized discount, we need to get the tax savings. What is the tax saving? We multiply by 30% to get the tax saving. We're going to multiply this by 30% to allow us determine the tax saving, which will be equal to, this is equal to 375,000. This is the tax saving on the unamortized discount, 375. We deduct. These are savings. So we can now be able to determine the initial investment. We'll add all this, then deduct the 2. So it's equal to 3650. This is the initial investment. So our initial investment here is 3,650,000.